Welcome back, traders. This is another episode of weekly forecasts or weekly analysis, whereby I drop my analysis for the coming week, what we are expecting the market to do. So, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel to always get this weekly analysis. It can give you a clue on what the market should do during the week, or what we expect the market to do during the week. So obviously here on the weekly, last week we had a little move to the downside. That's why we have a red candle here, and then this week we have this engulfing candle that engulfed the red candle and created a new high, higher than the previous highs. So let's go to other time frames to get a clearer picture of what is happening. So here on the daily, we are obviously on a bullish trend, and we had NFP week. NFP was on Friday, and we had some crazy movements that I would not say it wasn't so clear, but it was not expected. Okay, by the way, let's quickly look at my trade for the week before we continue with this. Okay, let me go to 1 hour time frame. Okay, so this week I was able to catch just 2 trades. One is this one, which was on Tuesday. I was not able to catch this trade on Wednesday. I was not able to catch this pullback to join the buys. So all this rally, I was not in it. So Thursday was more of a range. So till Friday. So Friday, after NFP came out, which was this red candle, I was expecting that the market will keep going down. Probably it dropped somewhere here, or at least back to this low that it created. But then I was wrong. So I took a sell from this point, which is a retracement, a 50% retracement of this sell initially before the other candles formed. This is exactly 0.5 retracement of this zone, and I decided to put my SL as high as this place, so that even if market wants to come for 0.6 and 0.7, my orders will be intact. But then the market decided to keep going up, and then after it took out this high, it started coming back down again. So that's how I gave back the profit I made on Tuesday back to the market on Friday. As you can see, this is a ratio of 1:1. This is something like this. My SL is something like this. So this is the ratio of 1:1. So what I made on Tuesday, I gave it back here on Friday. So I closed this week at break even. So that's not still bad. It's part of the game. So I was wrong actually. It was obvious that market came to retest this previous high. Let me show you. This high is here. Market came to tap this high, and then started shooting up again. So I should have taken the buy and not the sell. And another mistake is that I was trading a pullback. Normally I shouldn't trade a pullback in an impulsive move like this, but it has happened already. So next week I'll try as much as possible not to repeat the same mistake. So let's quickly go back to our analysis. Okay, so let me go to 4-hour time frame. So here in the 4-hour, I'm expecting something like this. Even though the daily and weekly and the rest of the time frames are bullish, even though I have a weekly engulfing, I'm expecting something like this to happen this new week. Before the market continues going up, something like this should happen. Tap this trend line that was broken, and then we can see price go up from this point. So this is what I'm expecting for this week. The market will still do what it wants to do, like always. So I'm expecting something like this to happen this week. A little pullback to the downside, and then we'll continue the rally up. Let's also see the 1 hour time frame and see how it looks like before we end this video. Okay, so I'm still expecting something similar, but market might still come down to this point. We can still see something like this, and then market continues going up. If that happens, that's still fine. Or if market can come down to this trend line before going up, probably tap this zone too, it will be a perfect move. So like I said already, I'm expecting a pullback on the Nasdaq before we continue going up. I'm very much bullish on the Nasdaq. I might take the sales, I may not take the sales. I would rather wait for the pullback to happen and then I take my buys. So thank you for watching this week's analysis. Like this video if it was helpful to you. You can also share to your friends, and if you've not subscribed to our channel, kindly do that. Thank you.